with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Good morning, Paris. Good morning. Always a beautiful morning, but this morning we are under tropical storm watch, as you're supposed to know. By when you see the video, yeah, it might be past. I don't know, probably. See what is happening down there. Water, water, water. My barrel them. Yeah, my back, yeah. Out back. We're having some every on and off, like a little rain, a little drizzle. Not too bad. That's something we can live with right when they're right at this minute. So it's a beautiful morning. It's always a beautiful day, irrespective of it. What is happening? Because we have got the gift of life. We rise up to see another morning, or we have risen to see another morning. So me personally give God the glory. It's cool, it's nice, and I think I'm gonna make me some cornmeal porridge, some banana, green banana porridge. So look here, I'll catch you in the next clip. Told you that I'll be giving you porridge in the next clip, but I'm showing you like how it is right now. I don't know how much, and it's like about minutes to 7 in the AM now. So I'm not sure. So every time it come down like this, and maybe a little heavier too, and then it eases off. And but you can see say no sun no out, you know. So this is how it is, and an half and an half and an half and an half right there. So that's what I say. It's like just on and off. Yeah, you see it? That left him at out the door for beat out. Yeah. So basically, so you know, it's like a little chill morning. I like a little cool morning. So some nice warm porridge, and whatever you have with it will be the best. Maybe some workplaces, I don't think they'll be open. So that it look like it not get close to it now, porridge. Nah, make landfall, you know, it a pass. I kick up rumpus here now, is him? I kick up rumpus here right now. Yeah. I go and bad out the door there now. Yeah. Oh, look how my pepper them out there so look good. I kick up rumpus. You see them out there so? See on the palm tree them there. Kicking up a lot of rumpus. Kicking up a lot of rumpus out there. I kick up rumpus, man. So that's what is happening. But me know it a go ease off. I guess it's passing closer now. You see him? Yeah, tropical storm. So I'm happy that it really didn't come in the night though. I'm really happy because I never really like it. I not too like the idea of the night thing. Yeah. See there? I kick up rumpus out that door there now. It's the heaviest I've seen it because I've been up since about 2, and it's like the hardest I've seen it. Never see it so hard. Yeah, so if my pass you now, yeah, Anna, yeah. I like that there right now. Has been having rains, and when I say continuously, I mean like continuously for the past 2 weeks. Continuously for the past night and day. Trust me. May I tell you. St. Mary, I have rain for the past 2 weeks. When me tell you now, I mean day and night. The other day, I just drop on my Avgi shoe and just turn back. I just drop on my Avgi shoe, go in my house, make sure I set and everything alright in there. I tell you, a long time I see up the stairs, man. 2 weeks straight me I try for where I could go. And I push it and go the other day. I tell you, say rain. Some of us are pray. I don't know how much more rain St. Mary and Portland. I don't know how much more rain they can take. Because if this rain continue, then the 2 parishes will wipe off of the map. Remember me telling you. I don't hope, I don't wish for that. But I don't know what caused so much rain. It will fall long before this storm something. But I'm going to get the coconut, the banana, and so forth. So next clip. Alright, right now I face some lighting problems. So I don't know how this will go work with me. And then through outside dark. But I try my best. So I put in my coconut. I try my best. Cause outside, no sun now come through, you know. A tropical storm. So a pure weather, just weather. I try to see if I can get through, but my phone I ring, but I can't get him. So I pray say everything alright. Cause honestly, it's not easy. I mean it cut off, don't. I try my best though. Boil about this one. Now go on good mama. Go one place I'm gonna get it. You hear the rain out there come down? Yeah, real thing me a go now, you know. Rain a fall, breeze a blow. Yeah. You see it out there? You hear it? I can't see it yet, I soon show now. But me I go make some nice on the head now, see? Alright, Porridge. But there's some I try to do something different. I can't go put nearer. Water, a little bit of water, I have this boil up, you know. And I have my milk. I want to go on here. So, you don't see me? I always have to ask if you don't see me. Yeah, it kind of cool down a little now. So, I have my milk. I might not use all of this. And me got me the blender all cleaned up here. Yeah. And me got me my bananas in the water. Yeah. Look at teeny bit of water in this so I keep it pot. So it ananas, sometimes it dark up, sometimes it clear. No, and that's what me say around this. I want to go on. I'm at, you know, very time cool and me hot. I don't know my thing already. So me peel banana here so. And get banana St. Mary. But St. Mary now rain. But what happened to St. Mary? St. Mary got black and gonna St. Mary go there. But nothing like that. Nobody can't pick up camera. All of we talk. Me, dad, uncle, we talk. Just for time can't go in the house. Yeah. So I do my banana. Oh yeah, I'm doing my bananas. Safari. Okay. I'm putting all of my little stuff on the marketing. Put the flour in there. Let me see my banana then. Yeah. Put a little flour. Because banana porridge, if you use pure banana, make it. I'll tell you something about banana porridge. You can't use pure banana, make it, you know. But you have to have it same time. Once you put it down, it on water. So I always see my mother put little something for all it. So I put in some flax seed. That's what I say. Put some cinnamon powder because it looks like we don't have no cinnamon. I look at our country a few times. We can't get no can't get to go gully of it now. Yeah. Feel like I put in some salt now. What I can navigate my way around that salt here. Put in some salt. I'm just make one blend. And I move. You see me? Alright, so my coconut milk. Yeah. Make a one stir. So I'm going to use some of the milk and blend it. And then in case if it get thick up, I can have extra milk to thin it out. You see me? Rain take time out the same way. Sometimes it come down hard, sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's not hard. Yeah, but just I use my little strainer for proof. I don't know right about now what time it's going to be, you know. Nice on no head. Alright, so I have a little bit of water down in here. Just a little bit. That I can have something to deal with this when it get down in there. Yeah, I have a little bit of water in there. So I throw this in there now. You see it? You see it's there. A banana that's in there, you see it? Don't worry yourself. Make it go down in there, go run. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. Turn the stove down. Really pick up. You see? Yeah. I'm telling you, say you might want extra milk. So I'm gonna put the extra milk. Yeah. Hear the rain out the door. Yeah. So I turn it down. Now go wash out the blender with a little extra coconut milk. So the porridge will taste good enough. Because a pure coconut milk. Wow. Rain a gone, Parry, rain a gone. Rain is going on out there. It is hammering out there. Yeah. The hammer out there. Oh, that. Oh. Yeah, so. You see it? May I get out everything. Strong piece of porridge, you know. Stove up now. Yeah, but this is that little stove here. That little pot here so thick in a porridge. So show you it. Because I know I want to see it. See? Yeah. So it all get thick still, you know. So as the seeds start to get thick, so I'm going to turn down back the stove and maybe add 1¾ cup of water in it. So for right now, see it here so it's still. Like it won't get lump up on it, but it can't bother them. You know that. Don't? So. I'm not ready to put no more like a little water in it yet. I have to get it come out the right way. Yeah. Before I can put the little extra water in it. See, so I'm catching in the next plate. Sorry, see there, see it? It's a dash out from we are now, you know. Yeah man, my pass here now. Right near where Rafaela get closer and it a come up more from the island. And it a turn. I don't know, I have to go watch the bulletin. If I come, it a come up and way. But it a dash out wicked. Wicked Barry. I can come in from way now and at the same time. I don't know. But whatever. But it a dash out from way right now. But I'm happy that it's not in the night. You know, some places are getting it more than some, I believe. You can see it. A dash out here, man. Rafaela. Rafael, where you want him? Big time Porridge a dash out. Yeah. Dash out wicked. So, you see Porridge? I'm going to turn off the flame now because right now it's all sweet. But, oh, you see it? You see how you saw the boy Raphael and Raphael. When you Raphael, when you could be? Raphaelina, a girl or a boy? Raphael, you're lucky. You saw the boy dash out from we a while ago porridge. Yeah, go to me inside to make the look of porridge. Yeah. Warm up the body. So, this is me just put in that milk here, you know, because you know, say Bernard Lodge. Me have Bernard Lodge here, you know. A Bernard Lodge, I should one of them sugar estate there. Yeah. You have him here, you know. But I know say I'm good with this. I know say it may even want more vanilla I put in it. I like my vanilla cooking. So. Boy, I go and go there, man. We have to dissolve the milk. So when you see we next, guess what? I drink my porridge, you don't know, you know, because boy, you're a hand and a half pound away, you know. So, I want to taste what go on here, so, dark up hand and a half, the nearer you get, and the more you might go on. So, I'll check the bulletin what go on, you know, because about 2 hours now, I'm not get the bulletin to see if I close in my closing pound way. I might try come the country, my pass, and whatever. Let the boy get bad and well be. Turn on the TV, let me see if that boy get bad power. But put in me nutmeg everything. Yeah, Parry? Yeah, man. Eh? No matter watch it in there, it's a banana porridge, even though it looks so thick, it's a porridge, it's easy to come water in. Boy, it tastes good. A little troops of salt, Parry. Porridge are rich. I tell you now. And you want to know, so some of them work hard, some of them find time to put some of them porridge in on the belly, you know. Yeah, see it? Some of the banana, coconut milk, flax seed. Make sure you find time to put some of them in. I never have a problem putting a pinch of flour, a tablespoon of flour. I don't want it on water. Watch this. Cup porridge. Boy, Rafaela, no, Rafaelina, in one year, now nothing found with. Yeah, most of the stamina. Yeah, I have stamina up that in the rain. Yeah. So you want to say in the comment section and keep it clean. Next clap. That this, you know, you say it almost look like peanut porridge. Yeah. Alright, so me not go have mine. See? Out of front. Next clip. Come on, just if you drink my porridge, you know. But it look like you not go work. I'll be a car. It look like why I feel like boys. Each time I clear out there. But remember, it's not an hard one, but this sauce is coming like weekend. Yeah. So my grace already. Yeah? So I will not go. I will not sit in the room. Daddy carrying falling. But we're not going to need it. No, we're going to need it. No. Try to clear off, man. Let the boy move. Man. Move. The banana then full. You know? You see kind of the rain ease down. The taxi up and down and go up and down on the road. On a front there. This is a Jamaican thing here. Jamaica. If me never get up and make this. We fly out here. Yes, a mesh, but this is a mesh. Fly out there. Go back over, sir. Clear out, go. Once you can go around, you can come now back. No done. System of spin. So when we clear off now in the summer, I dash out from them. Linger. I want to try this shoe, make this one for now, but I say part tastes like any peanut part one because you know the taste of banana. But if I never taste it and somebody I say, guess what porridge is Debbie? I say peanut. And speaking of peanut a long time, I look up some peanut porridge. Strike up some peanut and green banana. I'll show you how I do that one there. Green banana and peanut. Well, the banana take and put in a porridge. Peanut, banana porridge, plantain porridge. And the cornmeal. I don't see how much we cornmeal will leave. Then I eat again. I like boil. Blend and blend me. Perfect morning. We have a bowl of porridge or a cup, any porridge. Hey porridge, the breeze a blow. A blow and a dry up the rain. Rain came down a while ago. I drink my porridge, I have some jelly water for the drink. But you know what happened? I'm here right now to end the vlog with them, back on my front porch. And always me on the treadmill seat there and we have a tarpaulin for stand by a whole boot there grumpy so. Typical Jamaican front porch. Rain a come. Hey, me something that my cactus blow. But I just want to come back to end this vlog with you. I hope you, I don't know much you enjoy. I don't know if not really that you enjoy, but I hope you will find something to tell me what was your favorite. But I'm look dirty sound like a boss. But alive, we are Jamaican. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting. Thanks to all those who are going to the Amazon storefront. The holidays are coming and buying up their stuff. Thank you all so much. Make sure someone send me pictures. We don't know how cooking. I want to pat them on a pretty something. Thank you all so much for the support. In whatever way you support me, thank you. I do appreciate whether by Patreon, whether by sending me a little thing at PayPal, whether by supporting the Amazon storefront. And we are going to revamp our little merch stores and, you know, put different little things and so on. Thanks for loving, whether by watching the video, whether by sharing them out, liking them, leave me a comment below. It all adds up to supporting me. So thank you so much. And I'm just going to leave you with this. You know, on this journey of life, a lot of us have been through a lot. Me know what it is to be going through a lot, or go through a lot. But I just want to say to you, if you come so far, don't give up. Whatever it is that you may be going through something, allow we go through something from time to time. I push and mess fly. You know, when storm and rain a fly. You know? So you may be going through something at this point, and it has been for so long. Whatever it is, don't give up. Don't give up. Remember to make sure that you're praying for your family. Pray for your children. Pray for your marriages. Pray for your long-term, short-term relationships. Pray for the relationship mother-daughter. Pray for father and son family. Pass out I would look around all of everybody comment and I run car road, but them I look for me no know. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you all so much. Remember to say a word of prayer. The island. We are experience the tropical storm conditions now. And enough rain, breeze are blow, and as it get further away from the island, the gust them were left behind it and the breeze. But everybody keep safe. It a head for Cayman, it a head for Cuba. We pray that it not going to do no big damage and all of that. We are praying for everybody. We no want, well, me no want nothing happen to nobody. So I just want to say thank you. Not the best quality right here, suckers. The time is overcast and all of that and so out the road. And sometimes you see it bright out while I go on the hear say sun I come out. Your daddy chest too high. But look here. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. And never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. I don't know if maybe some of my workplace they open up. I don't know. Some of them must tell the people if you come to work. But now they timing. So I know the schools are closed. So thanks for watching again.